Ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Got some lean in my cup. Leave my little sticky thing alone.
Oh, you like that?
It been doing it all day.
You like it?
No, it don't bother it.
You know, a little nasty for a little. They on my spot shit. Mine. So, I want a Wingstop and then, but
That was you. I ain't said nothing about nothing else.
you don't like Wingstop like that. And I thought about it. I was like, nah, he like that burger from Cookout. So I just get him Cookout. I really want a Wingstop though. But it's okay.
You should really got you some Wingstop.
No, because you didn't really want that until by your answer.
Oh, come on. Look, y'all. Chili cheese fries. But I'm telling you, out, man. What that shit called for real?
They do look good. This chili cheese fries look real good.
I know.
I might have to get me one.
What you keep trying to say?
I'm saying I want one.
Trade for trade. These ain't free.
It's free though. I want to see what your burger look like. See if they got it right.
Probably don't, 'cause I can tell.
How you can tell through the right?
I can tell through anything.
Got me some good on
I can tell to a scale of fish.
Ranch is the best sauce.
I can tell to a scale of fish.
You don't like ranch.
Oh,
Right?
I don't like no ranch. They got my burger right.
They got them good pickles. Let me get a bite of
Oh no.
The bacon look good. No barbecue sauce though. I would have to take that barbecue sauce off. It's gonna be more eating than talking.
Who?
Can you move? It is gonna be more eating than talking because you don't.
No, I'm not.
You greedy.
I ain't never greedy.
That big old bite you took.
I'm gonna tell y'all something about that milkshake.
We got banana pudding.
It'll turn you up. Man.
You stop.
Ah, that's a grown man drink, y'all.
Copying me, like.
I ain't never.
I would say what they look like, but I ain't gonna do it.
Ain't gonna stop me from eating.
It won't.
I will be doing on video. Y'all want bite?
Can I get a bite?
You don't like it.
It look good though.
I don't think. I got all the top burgers that cook out.
They do.
Yeah.
They're good. They put in some ranch. They put burger in some ranch.
Everything gotta go with ranch. And don't.
We do.
No.
It do.
Y'all be eating them glizzards at the cookout?
You like that glizzies?
Who, me?
Yeah, you
Who,
like
cookout? The hot dogs. Y'all eat the hot
You
dog?
like that corn dogs?
Mm-mm.
No. You eat corn dogs?
Not really.
Mm.
I ain't never ate one since I was like 2. I ain't ate one since I was like 4. Hey, I'm back, man. Don't do that. But I'm back.
We back. First of all.
She back. I'm back. They
You
back.
can't say we.
I won't get
You
to
didn't
it.
buy that pickle.
It goes to
You
my
just
burger.
so
It go with my
selfish.
burger.
You can take the pickle off and then put it back on. I thought like it.
I never. They ain't need no more pickle.
It's right there.
Man, right there. Oh, look. Put chili cheese around there. Oh my God.
He's gonna hit.
Yeah.
Let me get a bite. He's so selfish with his food.
Never.
He is. I want a pickle.
Pop out to the function. Everybody see me. They be like, why are both of your elbows looking clean? I done dipped them in some wrench, but I don't eat no wrench. Oh, oh.
No.
Mm. Yeah, I'm too green. I'm too green. I know niggas that rat on all they brothers. Them niggas too green. I just won 556 just like my brother. She just think I'm hood rich because I got all this money. She just want to be a dope boy until they put her over. I was into it with my girl, but she ain't even know. I just got that bad. That's something that been on my mind. This TP9 ain't got no button back on it, but it got that kick on it, so that hoe be fine. If it's something that Maya like, I'ma take it, cause I'm green. And I'm jumping for all the bro be clean. What?
I waiting on you to calm down. You sucking your fingers.
I ain't sucking them. Man, I'm licking my fingers.
No. Who?
Man, come on now, bro.
You was sucking them fingers.
Hey, how you be eating? Yeah, she be eating like them. I asked her sideways for them. She be.
No, I don't.
I promise you. Watch it. She gonna try to do it now. So and I'm outside clutch. I need a lot of drink.
You need to drink that milkshake for a milk.
I don't drink milkshake, I eat it.
We'll eat the fucking, it ain't gonna be shit to eat because it's gonna be melted.
And put it in the freezer.
Well, go ahead, put it in the freezer.
This real deal video, she wanna psych out all the time. Like me, she wanna psych out like her man. Cause I'm with Vamp. Look at you wanna psych out like me.
Excuse me. You took me a bite?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, give me a bite.
Mm-mm.
You took the pickle.
You lied.
Yeah.
It's sugar cheese fry
I
right there.
don't want that. I want the pickle. You keep ignoring. No,
Get the
don't
pickle.
you dare. The way you shot it. My face was straight. I'm like,
You keep wanting the pickle and shit.
not that pickle.
And this ain't no kosher Dita pickle.
Y'all know the. Never mind. I ain't gonna be funny.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna do it with you.
Yeah. So you know this ain't no kosher Dita pickle.
What's a kosher Dita pickle? What pickle is it?
What's the kosher Dita pickle?
What is it? We should have played a game. Like the said name. Like one of us say A, one of us say a name that mine would be. Start would be.
A name?
Yeah.
Or any type of brand name?
A person's name.
Oh my God.
You ready?
Yo, we down people names.
You started off with A. Go. You got a net right here. Go. A.
Huh?
A.
Adrian Peterson.
No, you don't have to say a full name. You just say one name.
Adrian.
Who?
Adrian.
Adrian?
Wait.
Okay. B. Brandon.
Who is that?
Wait, nobody. I just thought of my name. C, come on, go C. It came up too fast. I was right thinking about it. Go C.
It was on your mind? Oh
My
my God.
name, I just said.
I'm gonna go C. Carlton.
D. Darlene.
Erica.
Okay, you going too fast. Who's Erica? Who the fuck is a Erica? F. Francis. You don't know the alphabet.
Garlic.
No, that's not a name.
That is a name.
That's not a name.
Garlic?
That's not a name. Who the fuck named that child Garlic?
A lot of y'all name out Con Garden.
He's like,
I mean, I don't
come
know.
on.
What did I say?
Y'all name. Come on.
It's your turn.
No, pick another G name.
Oh, Garcia.
Okay.
You didn't say Hannah or something?
Oh, I was sure. Now I think of a different name. Heaven.
Iggy.
Jemiah.
I'm not saying that name.
Whisper.
It would be funny because you have a K friend. All the bro be clean.
Oh. Legend.
Okay.
That's my nephew name. Can I say that one or I'll pick another? I'm surprised you didn't say mama name for A.
I swear.
Okay, go.
Like I say, I know that. Like I say her name.
Say her name.
Maya.
I already said my own.
You said Jeremiah.
I said Joe. Say my name right.
Jeremiah, nigga, you know your name.
And Nevaeh. Come on, O.
Octopus, nigga.
Stop
Man,
that.
nigga, I'm trying to drink.
I only gang with O. Go, say her own name.
Hmm?
Say her own name.
Olivia. You can say that way. I don't know.
P. Patricia.
Patricia. Alright, Nick. Yeah, y'all know who I am. Y'all know who I am. Y'all know who I am.
I feel good.
Yeah, I know who I am. Y'all know I am. Slack.
Or Riley. I said it like that. Riley though.
Sylvia. Ha. I feel like her name, you feel me?
Tristan. You don't know the team name? Come on.
I don't probably know.
Go.
Universe. What?
That's not a name.
Universe.
Come on. You're not saying that.
People think they do name that kid raggedy shit. What you mean? But you marrying. That's a name. That's a name. That's a name.
But we a Victoria. W. I got X.
Duh, nigga.
Why no what X? Yeah.
Who the fuck named W?
Your daddy, your niece.
But I'm so here like, who the fuck got who name with a W?
You said it's so mean. Who the fuck named W? Your daddy, your niece. Your
You right. My bad, people. My bad. Oh, I'm feeling bad now. I don't know your name. Lee, I'm confused. So, the witness.
Excuse me. X. Xavier.
I'm gonna go with.
I got Z. Who the fuck? Name a baby with a Z.
Yama.
Okay. Who is Yana?
Bruh, it's his name will come out here. Don't start that.
Okay.
Who Brendan? If I go back to the beat. If I go back to that beat. If I go back to that beat.
Okay.
Come on.
Z.
Mm-hmm.
Z.
Make up an alphabet.
What?
Can you make up an alphabet? Can you make up one? Be real. Can you make up one?
Mm-mm.
How the hell they made that? How the hell they made alphabet?
If I try to make an alphabet, I'm not going to remember all the letters. You make one. Say it backwards.
We're not doing that no more. We're not doing that again. You said it backwards, nigga. Look at you. Finna choke. Trying to say it backwards. What I'm finna say? I'm trying to make up a letter.
You trying to make up a letter?
Yo,
So you want to make up letters?
that's what I'm saying. How can you make up a letter? Be real though.
You can't.
That's what I'm saying. How they made them letters up?
Let's think of a letter that we can make up. Let me see.
You can't, bruh.
You really can't.
Acha.
You tried. It's your own.
A, Acha, B, C.
A, I should eat. How did it go?
A, Acha.
Where's that spell? No, where that came from? I should A. How'd it go?
Let me show y'all this milkshake real quick.
You know, my name is
I gotta watch her.
in Spanish. So you say yours in Spanish and I say mine.
Ooh. Hi, Rissy.
What?
What? That's my name in Spanish.
No, I say my name is.
My name is Austin.
Is what?
Hmm?
Go ahead now.
Orchard.
No, it ain't no damn orchard.
No, I didn't say that. I didn't say Orchard, Dad.
It's not orchard. It's Mayama. Mayama is
Your name.
Maya.
Orchard is
Maya.
Quentin.
Mayama.
Quentin.
Mayama is
Yeah.
Quentin.
No. Quentin.
That's how, what?
Quentin.
Come on. That was an
These folks.
He was trying to add a little. No. Kawazan. What is it?
I'm not saying that, Mom.
Kawazan. What? My chicken last chicken turned hard as hell.
But eat them. Oh my gosh. Man.
I know that. You got cookies in it?
Yeah.
Give me a piece of the cookie.
Right there.
You got bananas in it or just cookie?
Right there, look.
I taste the banana.
Hmm?
I got the banana in my mouth.
Yeah, I put liquor in it.
Ooh. The banana flavor nasty.
I put liquor in it.
Shit.
I'm feeling like you having an orgasm. I can't stop saying that word. I can't stop saying that word.
You can take that shit out.
You got a paper towel?
Oh,
I can't stop saying that word.
I don't know why.
Man, my hand is not down there. My hand was up here.
I'm still eating. Fast still.
Who back? You?
I'm done.
Man, no. It's good. That's how I know when people eat. That's what I- Look like I'm a drum set to you?
You gotta wipe that.
Oop, no, I don't. No, I don't. I promise you, no, I don't. I got a weed bag.
Did you look at your back?
Fucking, I'm looking back there for. You be looking back.
What? I mean, what? What does that mean now? We're not gonna skip over what you just said.
Hmm?
I be looking. No, I don't. No reverses in the car. This I'm talking about that. When I'm twerking, I don't twerk that. So I just reverse in the car and I look at it. That's what we're talking about. Don't mouth shit else. Y'all trying to throw something off by doing something else. I'm talking to you.
I'm thinking about you.
I ain't letting it go. What you doing?
You know when you get milkshakes from QT? I mean not QT. Cookout.
How much should you take?
I don't know. Milkshake from Cookout. All you be wanting is a bite for real.
I be.
That's how I like it.
I get a couple bites and put it up and never touch it again.
I ain't putting nothing on. I'm putting throw it in the trash because I ain't finna sit there and say I'm
I'ma
gonna go back
eat
to it
and
later.
Don't go to it. That's what I'm saying. I'm never touching it again. Usually we need a couple bites. That's how you get like something small.
But I just said it.
Like a Junior Frosty.
Now doing frosting, I eat that in a cup.
I want a Junior Frosty right now. You spray it. What?
I don't know when I did
Give
that.
me some chicken eggs and Junior Frosty. You ate my Tigers. I got nothing to snack on tonight.
I ain't eat no tacos.
He eat all my food and leave me alone.
Like you was over there searching for a snack.
Actually, I wasn't. I really want my ice. Who that is? Who texted you? Oh, that was my phone. You upset?
Huh?
Who picking at you?
Why I'm looking at you?
Look at this ice. Look good.
I was say, hey, cocky. You get it.
You gotta run away with it.
Not right there.
Come on now. You it already. I'm sorry. I apologize. I thought you couldn't hear it. You be eating it in your ear.
Nigga, what in my ear? Bro, you be saying the most strangest shit ever. You saying some
You
strange.
strange.
You strange, bro. You strange, bro. Y'all folk these days strange. Bro, y'all gotta get right. Come on, I'm still with.
We gonna learn a new word.
We learn a new word, man. Listen.
He learned strange like yesterday.
Fobiate.
Have to stop using it. Everything's strange.
I'm trying to find a cookie. That's what I'm used to finding.
You used to find cookies.
What you mean? Cook out. Listen.
You didn't say that. You said,
I'm trying to find the cook. You take the ease out of it. And put, yeah. Oh, cook out. You take the ease out of it. Cheese, cookies, cookies. Cook. Take the ease out.
Explain to
Out.
you get it. He gonna explain to you say you get it.
Take the cook out the ease.
Still explain.
You get it? Take the cook out the ease. Cook out. Or you can say, take them out the cook. Take them out the cook out to eat.
You trying to make it sense.
Yeah, I was making sense,
At
nigga.
first I understood, but now it's like you just.
I was just playing. But
You just playing. Okay.
take the cook out the ease. Cookies, cook out. Mate, ooh,
Quentin.
that's my name.
Be careful.
You say my name all the time. You do say Quentin though.
I say babe.
Oh, well, say both. What's a fraud that don't jump? Hey, I felt my hand cold.
You aggravating.
Ooh, your hand frozen. Oh, ain't no keeping that in there.
So it's a kiss on the
Oh. You don't just kiss anybody. Alright then.
cheek. My boyfriend.
Okay then. You don't just kiss anybody.
It's on the cheek though.
And you understand?
Kiss me on the
Fuck
cheek.
is you rearranging in your mouth?
I'll try to get some on my tooth.
No, you won't. Why isn't?
Get out my mouth. Kiss
Cause
my
you trying to give me, you trying to get a kiss on the cheek.
cheek. Kiss my cheek. Not
Okay.
my mouth or nothing. I don't like that. We don't kiss on around. Come on.
What?
You play too much. That's your problem. Come on.
Nah,
Wipe
turn that
your
way.
mouth. No. I'm not turning shit.
Turn that way.
I'm not turning nothing. Wipe your mouth.
It is white.
Oh, you got
You want to
food.
kiss so bad,
You got
huh?
food. You got food.
No, you want to kiss so bad.
You got me
You want to kiss so bad.
You got me messed up, boy.
You want to kiss so bad? No.
Ooh.
No. You said kiss on the
I
cheek.
lied.
You didn't
I
lie.
lied.
You just touched me.
Your love. Your love. Your love. Sing it.
Come on, man, you fake.
Oh, come on. What's the beat? Your love.
But you, man, alright, man, see.
Come on. Your love, yeah.
I couldn't do
You
it.
try to say it quiet.
I couldn't do it, girl.
You try to say it quiet.
Come on, let's do it again. Your love, your love.
Your love, your love. Come on now, we
Hey, interview me.
Alright, come on.
Interview me.
Bet. Alright, and I'm here with.
Love. Lover boy Q.
Alright, put your little my phone.
Alright.
Alright. What age did you start rapping?
I want to say 12, 13.
Alright. How long has it been ass?
Shit, that shit been ass for a minute. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's getting better.
It's ass still.
Okay. Are you gay?
Skip. I skipped the question.
You can't skip the
Yes, I can. Next question.
Last question to me, God. Make some noise for Sexy Red. Make some noise, y'all. What the fuck?
Alright, come on. Interview.
Alright. So back to the question. Are you gay?
Why you saying that?
Alright, you have a girlfriend?
Yeah,
Alright, how long y'all been dating?
she bad.
I didn't ask if she bad. How long y'all been dating?
Next question, she bad.
Alright. Well, he wanna information on his girlfriend. Next. So how your life been lately?
She a smooth living criminal.
Huh?
I said smooth.
What was the living criminal?
I'm Michael Jackson.
So you dead?
No.
You Billie Jean? Alright, next question. Oh, do you make money?
Occasionally.
Can you tell people how you make your money?
Trap of the rap and work.
Can you repeat that? Can you be serious, please?
Trap and a rap and a 9 to 5 work.
Alright.
Warehouse.
Warehouse, y'all heard it. You had to make it clear. Say.
That might smell a little strange.
Be serious.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Alright.
Man, put a beat on for
What do
me.
you do on a daily?
I try to eat. I really multitask.
Okay, anyways, we're gonna cut that short.
Alright.
Can we go ahead and have you busting the rubber? Busting the rubber.
Rubber, you feel me? You put on the beat. Put on the beat.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm in the building. What you got for me today? What you got for me?
Alright,
Yeah.
so we're going to put this beat on. Let him do his little freestyle. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold on, Kimpo.
Ha! No, bye.
If you don't like the beat, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. I'll change it.
Alright. Next beat.
Beat it, let's start.
Next beat.
You don't like it?
Next beat.
I'll let the beat drop.
Next beat.
Beat drop, alright. I don't know if you like this.
I'm get tired of all this damn done shit. Get tired of all this done stuff. Yeah. Hot Charlotte cock.
You don't like it? Next beat. Oh, he picky with a beat. I'm just going through the beats right now. He trying to figure himself out.
I ain't in my feelings right now either. If I let it go, if I let it go, if I let it go, if I let it go,
I don't like it no more.
if I let it go,
Next one.
if I let it go. Boom, 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 boom. I'm telling you. You got something rap? Let me hear something.
Nah,
Let me hear something.
nah.
Yeah. Nah. She say nah. For real, this beat whack. Change it for real. I don't wanna hear this beat no more.
Back.
Wipe me down, head toe. Wipe me down to my head to my toe. Wipe me down to my head to my toe. Wipe me down to my head to my toe. Wipe me down to my head to my toe. Wipe me down to my head to my toe. Wipe me down to my head to my toe. Wipe me down to my head to my toe. Wipe me down to my head to my toe. Wipe me down. Calm down. We got rounds. Every down. Out of town. System out. Can't slow down. This is too fast. This not a Hellcat, this a van. Skirt in a van. I got a lot of bands, but I'm broke, but I still got bands. She staring at me cause she like my rap. Every day on the beat I snap. Looking like Chuck E. Cheese with the diamonds on my neck. Ooh, I don't even make no sense. Pull up, I got breaststroke. In the damn band, sound like a shit show. She was selling the sound like a little.
Alright, y'all, I think that's enough for the rap. Back to the interview.
Back to the interview. Alright.
Back to the interview. Kim Folk?
Alright.
Alright, bet.
Can't folk.
Alright, so what you just spit? What you got this from?
Shoot. Out my stomach.
Alright. So, they call you Lover Boy Q.
Yeah.
Can you explain why they like call you that? Like,
What they call me that?
yes.
Shoot. I was little. I used to go around snatching stuff. So when I snatched stuff, when I snatched stuff, I had love for it. They was like, "Oh, that nigga got love for snatching stuff. His name Love." Then the love will come when you get older and just add on to the R. The R. Just add on to it.
What was that?
Alright, come on,
What
next
was
question.
that?
Inside my soul. I said I did inside my soul. I said.
I heard you. I'm pretty sure I heard you yelling. All right. So.
We the bust down bros.
Huh?
Everything I know. Seen him at the spot, had to do with the dough.
Hey, we're not freestyling.
Alright.
All right. Can you cut it out? It's a little ass. We bust a bit. All right. All right. We're going to go ahead and end the interview right.
Like.
Comment.
And.
Subscribe.
Psych out.
Okay. End it, nigga.
Psych out.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Psych out.